Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the physical prerequisites. Measure the GPU and the case. Once done, verify you have a PCIe riser cable rated for Gen 3 x16 and an available bracket or slot space. You should remove power, ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap, and lay out screws and standoffs. Make sure to note where case fans sit so the GPU won't hit them. This first step prevents surprises and sets you up for a smooth vertical install. Now install the riser into the case bracket or standoff. Use gentle coaxial bends and avoid sharp 90 degrees kinks. You will route the cable so it stays clear of intake fans and drive cages. This preserves airflow. Once the riser is secured, loosely seat the GPU into the riser to check alignment with the vertical bracket. Then tighten the bracket screws evenly. Be deliberate. Uneven pressure can strain the riser connector and damage the card or slot. Finish by fully tightening the bracket and PCIe retention screws, plug in the PSU connectors, and power on for post before closing the case. You should test with minimal peripherals to isolate issues. If you see no display, power down and reseat both riser and GPU. Try a different riser cable or another PCIe slot. Make sure to monitor GPU temps. If they climb, adjust fan curves, or add targeted intake to restore proper airflow. This solves most thermal problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.